Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are here to record our very own first podcast for VPod #Vishnu Podcast at Sri Vishnu Engineering College for Women, Bhimavaram. Today, as a guest, we have our chairman, Sir Mr. Vishnu Raju Garu, with us. On behalf of all the students, sir, I would like to ask some questions. What kind of college clubs do you have in your college life, and in which clubs you are so active?
When I was in college.
Yes.
So, when I was in my early stages in intermediate college, so I used to be part of the Young Orators Club. So, and also in the quiz club. So basically, I was very much interested in debating and also in quizzing. I think that is something which has come down off late. So in Hyderabad, there's something called K Circle. I don't know how many of you have heard about it. It's called the Knowledge Circle, and they meet once a month, and it's basically one of the best quizzing clubs in India. And once a year they have a competition which is conducted in Osmania University. So I used to represent the B team of our college, not the A team. The A team was very good. So quiz club was something something which was very close to my heart. Second was debating. So these were two things which, other than sports, of course. So sports is not a club. You go and play some tennis and stuff like that.
Yes, we have so many college clubs, as I said earlier. In these group of clubs, which club is related to you, if I ask you?
I think you have a Toastmasters club, no?
Yes,
so
sir.
I think that is something which I would like, because I don't know anything about astronomy. They have an astronomy club also here, so I don't understand that. But Toastmasters is something which I think is I would like.
I would like to add a point. Recently, we have gone through a district level competition, and our students won the division level also, and they are representing the division E in District 98, which is going to happen in Mumbai.
Okay.
So, and the next thing, if I ask you, what is your view on podcast, and do you really listen to your podcast?
Not much, but your vice chairman, I think he was the one who was very keen that we should start a podcast. Am I right, Anji? I think, and that's how we connected with him in Narsapur. But I think way forward is because many of us travel quite a lot, and I agree with you in the morning and in the evening when you said that too much of viewing content can be quite stressful to your eyes. But suppose you're traveling in the bus for a couple of hours, so you can listen to podcasts. I think that's an extremely good way of listening even to lectures actually, because I know a lot of universities have this lot of content also delivered through podcasts. But if you think content is boring because already you're getting education in the college, but even novels, even opinions, it can be sports, it can be politics, it can be anything you like. I think this is a great initiative, and all of you should participate, and maybe you should start talking to other students also who are not aware, because many of them are not aware of podcasts. Because what I've seen is, especially abroad, when you go to UK or when you go to US, audiobooks have become very popular, and a lot of my friends actually, when they travel to work, they actually listen to these audio books. Also, I think you have now these apps called Audible also. I think Audible is something very popular. I think Amazon owns it now. Yeah. So I think this is the way forward. We should do that.
May I ask a question like, what was the fun thing you had in your college?
I had a lot of fun in the college.
Let us know one fun incident which you are really connected to.
Yeah, okay. It was not funny at that time, but it'll be funny when I tell you this. So we used to have ragging. I don't know what you call ragging in the UK. The seniors come and bully us. Yeah. So, by the way, I don't know whether you met our guests from the UK, Dr. Julian, Dr. Bob Biggs, and Dr. Nicholas. They're all from the University of Bolton. And one of your seniors went there, Vinita, from the mechanical department, who was very active in the car racing, go-karting. They were good enough to offer her a 3-month internship there. So now she's working for Honda, and we are actually having an MOU to do something in the field of dentistry, and that's why they're here. So welcome you on behalf of Sri Vishnu Engineering College for Women. So coming back to the funny incident, so we used to have a lot of ragging. Now anywhere, any campus you go, ragging is banned. No, you have a lot of big posters. But for us, it was terrible those days. I'm talking about 1981, and it used to get very physical. So we were beaten up. We had to write notes, we had to wash clothes, all that we had to do. So, and the first 1 year, we are not supposed to grow mush. Okay, you're supposed to only wear khaki pants and khaki shirts, the workshop clothes. So that was the unwritten rule in NIT Trichy. Those days it was Regional Engineering College Trichy. So after a month or so, I was getting really, it was painful. So I said, okay, enough of this, let me go to the town, let me enjoy. So I took my small airbag without telling my friends, packed 2 sets of clothes, went off to Trichy. Trichy is about 15 kilometers from the college. I checked myself into a hotel and I was watching all movies, all Tamil movies, eating good food. And third day I came back to the campus. So I'm walking into the campus and suddenly someone sees me and says, oh, you're still alive. And I got a shock. So apparently what happened was when I didn't come back to my room, my friends were searching for me. And then of course rumors start, no? So one person said he was taken by the seniors towards that lake. Someone said he was taken there. Then that rumor became, it evolved into he was killed. Because he's not come back for 2 nights. And I'm happily watching movies there. So then I was I was wondering what to do. Then the principal called me. I said, finished. I'm getting my transfer certificate. He's sending me out. So Professor Mani Sundaram was our principal, one of the most popular principals for NIT. So the way he handled the situation was a total anticlimax. So I thought, I'm finished. So he said, what happened? And I said, sir, it was getting too much and I just wanted a relief, so I just went off. He said, okay, who are your best friends here? Now, it's been only a month since I joined. So randomly I told 2 names and both were from Hyderabad. So then he immediately pressed the bell, called his secretary and said, call those 2 guys. And they are sitting in the classroom there. Classes are going on. So I thought, what's he going to do with the other 2? Then he said, see, I prayed to God that if you came back safely, that I will go to the temple in the town. I don't have time, so you go on my behalf to the temple and come. And take your friends also with you. And then he told me, in future don't do this. If you have a problem, come and talk to me. So this became a major incident. Even now, the reason I remember this is a few months back, our batchmates we met. So we all graduated about 37, 38 years back. We still remember that incident. So maybe that's one incident which is in my mind and we laugh about it, but not at that point of time.
So what is your view? Is it a good to start a podcast in the campus?
It's very good, yeah.
So I really thank you, sir, wholeheartedly coming here for a first podcasting. And my dear friends, that's it for today's podcast. So signing off, this is your Pralika.
Thank you.